Hi guys, it's Ken. Please excuse our mess. We have lighting and fans and everything that are going to be distributed throughout the house, but I wanted to go over what we're doing in our media room. In this case, we're doing the 5.5-inch louvered plantation shutters with a blackout cellular shade behind it for complete room darkening. And then our media area will be on this wall here. So the before and after should be pretty dramatic in this room. Hi, this is Ken, and welcome to our media room. In the media room, we've decided to do the same black 5.5-inch plantation shutters with a split tilt option so that you could, if wanted, open and close the lower half of the shutters independent of the upper half. So you could have everything closed so that you have room darkening and can watch a movie or do whatever you like. You can open just the top half so you have a sense of privacy but still natural light. Or you could have everything open if you wanted to have a view of the entertainment area outside or as much light as possible coming into the room. We just think they make a terrific addition to the media room, just ties everything together.